Now we're gonna roll the window up. Yeah, that went nice and smooth.
Oh yeah.
Noah's taking the keys out just in case so he doesn't hit that roll down switch in automatic mode. I've done it. I'm sure Noah's done it.
Oh yeah.
Then your pattern gets destroyed.
Restart.
A lot of these driver's side windows have an automatic roll down. We've all done it. And this part right here might intimidate a lot of people, but if you pull up on that tint gently, try not to crease it here in the corners. And then now Noah's going to take his tool and get it behind that rear seal. On this F-150 trucks, it flows down through there pretty good. When you shrink the tint, it has a tendency to bubble up on this side because the tint's tighter, and then you just have to get this pocket pushed out of it. Take your hands and smooth this stuff out before you start really going over it real hard with a squeegee. Noah's making sure he's got that film tucked into the corners before he starts squeegeeing it out. Okay, he's gonna wet the glass. And now we're gonna do the final squeegee. And see, that's one thing I want to point out. When you shrink the tint, see how nicely it pulls itself up to the glass? If you have fingers in here, as they call them, the little pockets, that means your tint's not necessarily shrunken correctly. Is it shrunken, shrank, or shrinked?
I think it's shrank.
I guess it depends on what part of the country you're in.
Yeah, I feel like
yeah.
Southerners use shrank more.
Shrunken, shrank, shrinked. I don't know. Leave a comment. What do you think it is? So now he's going to do a final squeegee across the bottom down. Make sure he's got all the water pushed out. One thing that I recommend, try not to bring a heat gun inside the vehicle if all possible, but sometimes you have to. We'll address that probably in a later video. He's going to get that final squeegee in. All right, that's been successfully installed. Now there's going to be a little bit of cleanup, and then when we get this outside, we'll give you a post update on how this window looks. Thank you.